Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybersecurity Experts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we're diving into the basics of cybersecurity. In today's digital world, we hear a lot about cybersecurity, but what exactly does it mean? Why is it so important, and how does it affect our everyday lives? Let's break it down. At its core, cybersecurity is all about protecting systems, networks, and data from cyber attacks or unauthorized access. Think of it like a digital shield that guards everything from personal information to business-critical data. There are different areas of cybersecurity, each focusing on unique challenges. Let's take a quick look at the main ones. 1. Network security. This involves securing the infrastructure that transmits data, such as firewalls, VPNs, and intrusion detection systems. 2. Information security. This ensures that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access or theft. 3. Application security. This focuses on securing software applications and preventing threats like SQL injection or cross-site scripting. So why does cybersecurity matter? Well, cyber threats are more advanced and frequent than ever. Every day, companies, governments, and individuals face attacks that could lead to financial loss, identity theft, or even national security risks. Cybersecurity is not just a concern for big companies. It's something we all need to be aware of, whether you're using a smartphone, shopping online, or working from home. Make sure to stick around for future videos, where we'll dive deeper into topics like ethical hacking, network security, and more. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts or questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.